lot of contributing factors and aspects have led to the market and economy being quite unstable over the last decade. Rising inflation levels, the increasing rate of unemployment and lack of trade agreements have led to many countries going through an economic crisis. With experts predicting a crisis in 2019 and even chances of recession, the question lies as to which countries will suffer the most. What is an economic crisis? In simple terms, a financial or economic crisis happens when a large part of the assets of a nation lose its nominal value. Due to this, the economy becomes unstable with the nation going into debts and losses. Layoffs and decreasing economic output contribute to unstable job sectors, business and trade relations. Inflation level rises leading to a significant drop in the currency value as well. Which countries are in danger of an economic crisis? With an unstable end to 2018 and a shaky start to the new year, many experts predict the onset of another crisis for a few countries. Developing and underdeveloped countries are expected to have a better rate of growth and economic stability. However, here are a few countries that are predicted to enter into a state of economic crisis. 1. China. Many observers and experts predict that China will soon be under an economic crisis. With its economy hitting a 10-year low and decreasing trade relations with global powers, they are certainly under the lens for facing an impending crisis. However, with state-controlled banking systems and institutions, the government can maintain liquidity and deploy aggressive measures to avert any crisis. 2. United States. After enjoying consistent growth and a relatively stable economy for quite a long time, the U.S. economy is also under the radar to come under crisis in 2019. With increasing debts for U.S. companies, stock markets are looking increasingly unstable. Without the correct countermeasures, the economy is definitely in danger of entering a state of crisis. 3. Argentina, South Africa and Turkey. After being in intense financial pressure and facing recessions, these countries are still expected to be in crisis in 2019 with slow recovery. 4. India, Brazil and Russia. These emerging markets are expected to get a slow pickup and growth in their economy. However, political turmoil in countries like Brazil and Mexico has led to a question of instability and uncertainty for the economy. However, there is also some good news for the economy in 2019. Though global inflation rates are said to remain between 2% to 3%, there is a lot of upward pressure on it due to a decrease in unemployment in most economies and closing output gaps. Concurrently, the decreasing market value does not seem to be severe enough to trigger a recession. Increasing trade relations and agreements between the global powers will also lead to the dollar seeing a slight upward growth, spelling good fortune for developing nations. Increased spending on trades and employment sectors can definitely help balance the economy and give positive impacts globally.